Hey, 14 days remaining until 2025. We need to do something. Okay, so before 2025 starts, let's set up your English skills for success. I want to do something really fun, enjoyable, and special with you. What if we build a story together? Why not? We've got 14 days, and in those 14 days, we'll not just create an amazing story, but also improve our English skills, what we actually need. So are you ready to be an author of the story? Each single day, I'm gonna read a part of the story and I'll ask you a few questions. I will need your help, your participation. You are gonna give me some ideas, some suggestions in the comments, and I'm gonna pick the most interesting ones and include them in the story. Sounds cool? Okay, so every single day, we're gonna make the story come alive and you'll be improving your English at the same time. It's gonna be such a fun adventure. And by the end, you'll not just have a fantastic story, you'll set up your English for success in 2025. So stick with me. And let's get this story started. It's a chilly winter evening, and Emma is curled up on her fluffy, cozy rocking chair, wrapped in a warm knitted blanket, with her cat Muffin snuggled beside her. She's about to take a sip of her favorite tea, black tea with mint and lemon, while scrolling through her phone, deciding what to watch. Okay, should I go for a series or a comedy movie? Hard to decide. She lifts her cup, but whoops! The tea splashes right onto the table. Oh, Emma, don't be that clumsy, she mutters, wiping the spill with a napkin. As she cleans up, she notices something odd. An envelope lying half hidden beneath the mess. Wait, what's this? She says to herself. She picks it up and immediately notices there is no name or address on it. Better not be another bill, she sighs. I don't need more bad news tonight. She glances at Muffin, who's lounging lazily on the floor. Should I open it, buddy? Looking at the envelope with raised eyebrows, she says, I hope this won't ruin my evening. Finally, she tears it open. The message inside is short and direct. She begins to read, You have 14 days to discover the truth about... But as she continues, she notices that part of the message is smudged. The ink running from where her tea spilled. Oh no, the tea! She exclaims, trying to make out the rest of the message. But it's impossible. The ink is blur. She stares at the paper, frustrated. Gosh, it's impossible to guess what is written here. Everything is blurred from the tea spill. And what truth should I find out? Why only 14 days? How on earth did this letter even end up here? She asks herself, puzzled. Emma looks back at the envelope, confused, then glances at Muffin. What do you think, Muffin? She asks aloud, although not really expecting the answer. All right, that's the first part of our story building challenge. And now it's your turn. It's your turn to make the story even more exciting. What do you think could be hidden inside the envelope? Could it be something small that Emma didn't notice at first? Something that could lead her to uncover the bigger mystery? Something like clue, key, something unexpected? I don't know. I'm curious to know what you think. Drop your ideas in the comments and I'll pick the most interesting ones and include them in tomorrow's part of the story, okay? But before we go, let's dive a bit deeper into Emma's world. I want to get your thoughts on her too. What do you think Emma is? What do you think she does for work? What kind of personality does she have? Is she quirky? Is she adventurous, reserved, curious, funny? I don't know. And where do you think she lives? In which city, country? These questions will help us shape Emma's character and the direction of the story. I'm looking forward to reading your answers. And stay tuned for tomorrow's update. Things are gonna get even more mysterious soon. So see you then.